for my snack. Curtis, stop. Get down, buddy. Get down. 1, 2. Okay, he don't want to get down. You got to get down. Thank you. Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So guys, today's video is a what I eat in a day video. And I started off this morning making my homemade breakfast turkey sausage. So I made that, as you guys can see in the video. And also here I have a cinnamon and raisin bagel, and I added some strawberry cream cheese, and I have some fruit salad, fresh fruit at that, guys. So yesterday we went to a celebration for my two beautiful cousins, Jemiah and Diamond. They both graduated. One graduated from college and one graduated from high school and also early college. And it was a celebration for them yesterday. And I got the fruit salad from the event yesterday. And so I had some left over. So I was like, yeah, I'm going to eat some fruit for breakfast. And like I always say in my other videos, fresh fruit is key. Try to eat some type of fruit each and every day if you can. Shower, change clothes, as you guys can see. And now I'm getting ready to have breakfast. And guys, this weight loss journey is something else, I must say, but I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the everyday challenge. I'm just trying to show just different breakfast ideas that you can do whenever you're on a weight loss journey, or just when you're trying to eat healthier or being mindful of what you eat and just do better for yourself overall. And another thing too, me and my husband, we're cutting back on eating eggs. We're going to limit eggs to maybe 2 to 3 days out of the week instead of like every day or 5 or 6 days out of the week, just to watch our cholesterol and just to be better overall.
Yes.
All right. He's all ready.
He is all right.
Hold that.
Okay.
Go, and that's your camera.
Yay, Curtis is home. Give Curtis his treats. A little gash in his head, but he's doing good. Yeah, buddy. And here go Princess. Okay, beautiful people, so it's time for lunch. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and cook what I'm going to eat for lunch and dinner. And I have some turkey sausage here, some mushrooms that need to be cooked, a red onion, and some red bell peppers. And guys, as we can see, fresh vegetables, my mushrooms, red onion, and peppers. Also, guys, when I take my sausage out of the pack, I am going to rinse it off. Make sure you rinse items like sausage in the pack, hot dogs, bacon. Rinse that stuff off. Don't just take it out the pack and start cooking. I see a lot of people do that. Rinse it off, please. Thank you. Also, rinse off your vegetables too, because I see a lot of people who take like mushrooms out the pack, spinach, kale. It doesn't matter. They'll just take it out the pack and start using it. No, rinse. No, don't do that. Clean your vegetables. Clean your meat as much as you can. The only thing I don't wash off is ground, like chicken or turkey. wow. Look at that, guys. It looks so good. And it smells good as well. And I like how the mushrooms just make its own gravy. Okay, my chat partner. So now I'm going to eat this lunch. Want some? I don't mind sharing. So we are using this as a remote for one of the TVs because I lost the remote last night and I cannot find it anyway. Let's enjoy this little time, wind down, eat my lunch, some water, which I have 2 bottles of water here. So these 2 will make 5. No, this will make 6. This will make 6 because I actually had a bottle of water earlier. Then for my snack, Curtis, stop. Get down, buddy. Get down. 1, 2. Okay, he don't want to get down. You got to get down. Thank you. I had 2 bottles of water with my snack. Princess, go get in your bed. If you guys don't know, we have a dog and a cat. But anyway, I had 2 bottles of water with my snack. So once I drink these 2, then it will be 6. And I drink 6 bottles of water every single day, no matter what. But yeah, like I was saying, I lost the remote last night. So trying to make it work with this phone. And it's an adjustment. Hopefully we can go out and find a universal remote. Or hopefully we can actually find the remote I lost last night. But we'll see. But I was thinking, I was like, okay, I'm eating this for my lunch, which is high protein. I exercise later today. I think I'm going to have a smoothie for tonight. I think that's what I'm going to do. Just trying to change it up. Then again, I might have this again. I don't know yet. I haven't decided, but we will see. And what I want to let everyone know is eating better and eating healthier. It's not so much as you have to eat salads and stuff like that. Cook at home. Cook your meals at home, and it doesn't take long. This right here didn't take me no more than what, 15 minutes, if that. The prepping was cutting the vegetables up, but I got this protein, which doesn't take long to cook at all. So what you can do is just think of simple ideas, simple, easy meal ideas that you like, and just put it together. Just think ahead. Like when you go to the grocery store, when you go grocery shopping, like, you know what, I want to be mindful of what I eat this week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to think of some food items I want to get, just grab them, and then just go and just cook them. And it doesn't take long to cook at all, guys. You can put something in the crock pot. It's stuff that you can put in the oven and not have to watch. Like I cooked my turkey sausage this morning. This is something that it doesn't take much to whip up. All I have to do is open the pack up, put the seasonings in, make your sausage patties, and just throw it in the oven. Just put a timer on your phone and do what you got to do, whatever the case, and then go back, check it, let it cook some more, then check it again. That's all you have to do. It doesn't take much. And at least when you cook at home, you can have control over A, what you're eating, B, what kind of seasonings and everything else that you're putting in your food. C, you're trusting yourself because you're cooking your own food at home. And D, eating out at restaurants or drive-through or just eating out all the time, it's just not good for the body because they are adding so much extra stuff to this food now, and it's ridiculous. And then you don't know who's cooking your food. Like I always say, try to incorporate fresh fruits and vegetables each day. Make sure you drink water, guys. It don't matter if you're a person who be like, oh, I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom. Yes, you do. However, but once you start drinking water and you keep doing it, you'll get used to it. You won't have to go to the restroom as much. And you want to drink half your body weight. Even if you drink 3 liters a day, just start the day off drinking. And if it's a little snack or a little nap that you like, so like if you like cheese and crackers or pretzels with hummus, or just certain things that you might like maybe some popcorn or something that might be a little salty or whatever, or a little sweet, that's when you can drink your water. That's when you can guggle it down. Because I know for me, I'm the type of person, like if I eat fresh fruit, so like if I was to eat an orange, drinking water might taste a little funny, but when I eat like my snacks or while I'm eating my meals, stuff like this, I can drink my water. And you can add Crystal Light to your water, garlic to your water is good, ginger to your water. But make sure you drink your water. Drinking your water is so important, guys. Trust me, it's very, very important. Drink tea. Make you some tea. Yo, do better. We have to do better. We have to do better. We have to do better and we must do better. So yeah, guys, getting ready to finish eating this and catch me something to watch real quick, and I'll check in with you guys a little later.